In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Teams meeting from an email in Outlook. So when you open Outlook, as you can see, you have new mail here. Now what you're going to have to do, instead of clicking this button, you're going to have to go back. So let's go back here. So let me close this. Now you're going to have to click on this arrow and then click on event. And once we open this, we're going to have to add the title. Now you just have to choose which people you want to invite. So you just have to enter your list or their email addresses and then choose a time. Now here you can choose a starting time, end time, etc. Now if you want, you can select all day or recurring, and then we can also add location. Now the most important thing is to enable Teams meeting. Now once you enter here all the details, here you can add some details about the meeting and then click on save. Automatically Outlook will send emails to these people and then they can join the meeting. So they'll receive the link for the meeting in their emails. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.